Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Today I get to walk you through this 2025 Nautique G25. As you can see, it has this beautiful metal flake on the side. You get that out in the sun, it just looks gorgeous. As we come to the back, you can see we have the nice swim platform here. The G25 has the great seats in the back. And then we do order these with underwater lights and the steer assist. This year is Nautique's 100th Centennial Edition, so all their boats are going to have the 100th logo all the way across. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, as we climb aboard this G25, it's like all the Nautiques, this has this great step up with the sea deck in there. And then the G25, we have tons of space. You got the pull-out seat there. There's storage for a cooler in the floor. You've got the tower speakers, the bimini, the wakeboard and surfboard racks. As we come in, we've got the great helm seat here from Nautique. Like I mentioned, 100 years. You can see that's lit up behind the seat there. In 2025, we've got a brand new, little bit larger screen than previous years. And we just have the start and stop button. We've got a nice helm area right there for your phone. Be able to make adjustments on the fly with the throttle, steering wheel. As we come to the bow of this boat, we've got the nice bow filler cushion in there. And then being a G25, you've got tons of space up in the bow. Lots of room. As you can see, cup holders everywhere. LED lighting throughout the boat. G25, just a great boat. This is here at our Rogers location if you'd like to come take a look.